Hey, what's up YouTube? Haven't been here in a couple years, been busy with work and whatnot. But here's an update on my truck. It's 10.5-inch lift total. 5.5 suspension with 3-inch spacers, 3-inch body lift. Aftermarket headlights with LED strips in them. 35-inch TerraTrack tires. That's my new truck right down there. It's pretty much just a mud truck nowadays. Don't drive as much as I used to. Shifter's a little off.